read the title, we're gonna be doing a high bun. Why should you care about my high bun? Because as you guys can see, I have a whole lot of hair, so my buns be looking thick. I know how to make it look. For me, I just feel like I like high buns more, but I just don't do it because I have a lot of hair, to be honest. I'm going to detangle my hair because there is going to be a lot of brushing involved, so you don't want your hair to be all tangled because it's going to cause breakage. Alright, so now that my hair is detangled on both sides, I didn't detangle it all the way. This is a lot easier when you already detangled the length of your hair. That's why I just did that. And it has oil and it's moisturized. Nah, to get my hair into a bun, it's a process. It's a process for real. This is why I told you I barely do this. If you have natural hair, just comment down below how long it takes you to do a high bun or any bun. Like, does it take you this long? Like, I know it can't just be me. I see what people mean. My hair is like 2 different colors. That's crazy. People always be like, "When was your hair brown?" I'm like, what? My hair is brown? But now I don't see it. Obviously my hair is brown, but like this is a really light brown compared to this. And I've never dyed my hair before. So what's going on? I don't know. So now I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. This is the smaller one. I feel like I like this one for slick styles because it really holds my hair down. Like this one actually has hold, whereas like, let's say like the, not the green one. It's like, damn it, I'm gonna put a picture of this. I think it's like the flaxseed one. Like that one, it did not hold my hair down for a long time at all. Just go through and I smooth that in on the top of my hair, and I'm gonna just do the same to the bottom. So obviously you need a scrunchie. I need these heavy duty ones that do not break at all. Like look, I have stretched these out so much. Like this is how much. And I've had this on for like 2 weeks, something like that, 2 weeks. And it gets so big, so. Those are the only ones that go in my hair and don't break. So if I lose them, then